how to add music on Messenger notes. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Messenger and navigate to the chat section. Then simply tap on your profile picture at the top left corner of your screen to open the Share a Thought section. Now you should see a music icon available there. Tap on it and simply search and browse through various songs available there. Or you can simply select a song according to your preferences by the list, or tap on the search address bar and search for a specific song. After selecting a song, you can adjust the part of the song by dragging the slider to your desired section. Once done, simply tap on the Done option available, and you can also add a caption or simply any note with the music. So here I'm adding an emoji. And after you do so, simply tap on the share option available in the top right corner. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.